Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. I'm making the most of the fact that I've got internet over here, and so here I am. Well, I don't know, I've been a bit on the naughty side. I wasn't going to buy any yarn after my massive ice yarn order, and then I kind of bought more out of King Cole, and so I said that's it, definitely not going to buy any for a while. And what happens? Aldi decide to have a yarn event, and well, I'm done for basically by that time. And plus, you know, I'm making that nice big blanket from the chunky yarn. I needed some more, so my Poundstretcher didn't have any when I went in there, not very much. So I decided to go into this town and have a look and see what they'd got, and they don't normally have it, but they did. I'm just going to have a quick slurp. And so I bought some. This isn't a massive yarn haul because it's mostly all the same stuff. I just bought some more of what I'm making the blanket with, the chunky in the black, and some of this, which I bought quite a bit of that. I've got a whole bag full for the blanket. But the reason I'm kind of bringing this up is I was asked by a few people, when I'm using this, how many of my strips do I get from a skein? And that gorgeous colours. I absolutely love this. It's my absolute favourite. It's just so pretty. Well, although it's a nice kind of big ball, you only get two. I get exactly 2 strips for the blanket out of one. There was one ball which must have been quite a bit underweight because it was a little short of 2. But I know I hadn't opened it and used it before because the actual end was still tucked in there, so it was completely intact. But I think it was just a little bit of a lightweight ball, unfortunately. But I forgive them because I absolutely love these colours. They're just so pretty. Anyway, so that's I got quite a bit to finish my blanket. I just grabbed everything they had. But I wouldn't be telling you this, I wouldn't be doing this as a yarn haul little video if I didn't want to show you this. Now, you know, I'm always complaining the fact that the UK doesn't really do much in the way of decent Aran yarn. Well, they've come up with some, and it's not massively expensive really, because it's a 250 gram ball of magic Aran. And just like the bloom with Poundland, where it makes those cute little flowers, so does this. It will come up like this. Obviously that's knitted, but I don't know if you can see that kind of little purple flower. So it'll have these stripes, it'll be self-striping, but it'll also make these pretty cute little purple flowers. So 250 grams, and I thought, well, it's a nice big ball, but it's even better if you get 2. And they had 2, so I thought I might as well. I like them when they come in these plastic wrappers. They're just good to keep the dust off. And, you know, so I will put this one back before I put it on the shelf. But I really like that, and I thought I would show you, plus update you on how many of the strips I get from that chunky, because I had been asked by a couple of people. So it's just a short one, just to catch up, but I have got an Aldi yarn haul to do, which is a little bit more lengthy. So thanks for watching everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.